I'll demonstrate how to cut off a beer bottle to make some shards to make some beads with. Got my glass cutter here, bottle in place. I'll scribe it around. To where it started. That scribes one end, and for this demonstration I've set up two stops here. I can mark the bottom to cut out same way. I have my burner set up here. Just tangentially heat that crack. Just keep rotating it around until you hear that cracking sound. Start to crack now. Bottom falls off nice and clean. Same thing for the top. Just right at the edge of that glass. We want to hit a loud crack. That means that it's gone all the way around. There we go. Cracked off nice and even. For making the shards, I like to work with a glove on my left hand. And I find the mold line. Here's a mold line right there. I'm going to follow that mold line with my glass cutter and just scribe it. And turn it all over. Get the mold mark on the other side. Scribe that and then go inside and tap it, that crack. There we have two halves. So I like to work on a cloth towel to kind of cushion it. First we'll scribe and cut it in half. Half with this one. Then we can just kind of, don't need that glove now. Say maybe 3/8 of an inch to half an inch, scribe it. Catch it in the side of the glass cutter. And just slice up the whole bottle. You can make thin shards, thick ones. Just catch it in the side of this glass cutter. Or you can bend it with your hands if you got to make them big enough. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 shards out of 1/4 of it. So we get 24 pieces of glass to make beads out of it. But these are just about the right size to make about a centimeter bead. Of course, you got to be careful you don't cut yourself. All these edges are extremely sharp. If you feel more comfortable wearing cotton gloves or maybe even leather gloves, feel free to do so because it can very easily open up your skin.